Good afternoon, Algebra 1 students. It's Friday. We've survived the first week of being quarantined, and it's been crazy for me. I have been trying to help teach my own kids and just waiting for updates as to how we're going to proceed forward. And I've been in a lot of meetings, but you know what? I just want you guys all to know that you are strong. You're smarter than you think you are. You're braver than you believe, and you will pull through this. We are a resilient group of people who have been through a lot of hard stuff, and this is just one more hard thing that you guys have to go through. Know that I'm thinking a lot about you and hoping that you're making the most of your time. I am going to start trying to put some things out there on our Google Classroom. Totally optional, but I just want to encourage you that if you can take the time, do some of those things because it's going to help you stay positive. It's going to help you feel like you have something to work for. So just know that I'll put that stuff out there to help you kind of move your learning forward. And we'll just take it week by week to see when we get to go back to school. And we'll pick up where we left off and do the best we can. So just know that though this week has been very challenging, you can be positive. So try to think of ways that you can reach out, maybe call or text or whatever, somebody who is kind of shut in. I'm thinking about my grandma who's stuck at Arlington Place. We have the option, we can actually Skype her, and so we're going to do that. Think of ways you can reach out and be that light and show how positive our youth can be in our community. So take care of yourselves, keep yourselves safe, make healthy choices so that we can get back and move forward with our learning and all of those good things. So we'll talk to you later.